HELP is a unique extended warranty designed to optimize the performance of your Hitachi machine, as well as reduce downtime and ensure a higher resale value. The Hitachi Extended Life Program includes regular services and inspections to increase availability, oil analysis to monitor the condition of your machine, and predictable maintenance costs and repairs using Hitachi Genuine Parts.
Meillä on kaikissa Hitacheissa tällä hetkellä huoltosopimukset ja sitä kautta saanut aikaa enemmän keskittyä tähän